Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to register AliExpress account. Well, it is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. After opening the browser, now what you're going to do is go to the search bar right here and start typing aliexpress.com. Now, after typing so, tap on enter on your keyboard, and this will take you to the official website of AliExpress. So after opening the official website of AliExpress, what you're going to do is hover your mouse around the profile icon that you can see right here. And just by hovering, you will be able to see this pop up, and then you will be able to see the option of registered right here. Click on it. And now here you will be able to see the option of writing your email or phone number. If you want to register from email, you can type down your email, or if you want to register from your phone number, you can type down your phone number. I'm going to register with my email, so I'm going to write down my email. After typing down your email or phone number, now click on continue. Now you'll be getting a 4-digit code on your email from AliExpress. Simply just open your Gmail inbox and check it out. You can see AliExpress has sent me the notification. Click on it, and this is your 4-digit code. Simply copy it just like this and go back to the website and paste it in here. And here you can see the registration has been successful, and you have to now create yourself a passcode for your account. The requirement is the passcode should be at least 6 to 20 characters and should contain numbers, letters, or symbol. So create yourself a strong password according to it. After creating yourself a strong password, now click on submit. And that is it. That is how you register in AliExpress. You can hover around the same profile icon right here, and you can see this is your profile. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.